is a lab with Circuit Constructor Kit on parallel circuits. So that's lab 3, and we'll learn what the relationship between voltage, current, resistance is in a parallel circuit. So first thing, make sure you get today's quiz done. And in the Canvas assignment, as I said, you want to click on where it says click here to go to the website. At the website, choose where it says lab. First thing you gotta do, just like the previous times we do this, drag in a battery, drag in a resistor. From the right side, bring in the voltmeter and the ammeter. It's in a rectangular form. Then you're gonna start hooking them up. Initially hook them up like this. The ammeter connected to the battery, and the resistor below that, the voltmeter connected across the resistor, and there's 2 wires there. Once you got that hooked up, record what the voltmeter, or when you record the, click on the battery slider, make sure it's set to 9 volts, because that's what we're going to use for this lab. Record what the current is from the ammeter and what the voltage is from the voltmeter. Then you're going to start modifying it. Here's your first modification. You're bringing in a second resistor, and you're connecting it below that first resistor. So connect it up like that, and then what's the voltage indication? What's the current indication? What happened to it? Next thing, bring in a third resistor, connecting it below where those first 2 were. Make sure you keep the voltmeter connected to that first resistor, and the rest of it's intact. So then you want to, what is the voltage? What is the current? What's happening with this? Then you want to bring in a 4th resistor. Just like that. Make sure you get it all nice hooked up, set everything. And just like before, what's the current, the ammeter? What's the voltage reading? Then you get to bring in a 5th resistor. Connect that up. Same thing. What's the current reading? What's the voltage reading? And then finally, you're going to bring in a 6th resistor. And with the 6th resistor, same thing. What's the current reading? What's the voltage reading? And in Canvas, here's the questions you want to ask. On this parallel circuit, what happened to the current every time we added a resistor? And what happened to the voltage every time we added a resistor? Did any of this stuff change? And how was it changing? That's the lab for today. Have a good day. That's all.